Welcome to today's video where we explore the timeless lessons of Buddhism that you can apply right now. Whether you're seeking peace, struggling with life's challenges, or simply want to live more mindfully. Let's break down 5 life-changing Buddhist principles. And I promise, by the end, you'll be rethinking how you approach life. The first thing you need to know, life is full of suffering. But here's the twist. Buddha didn't say this to bring you down. He said it to set you free. When you accept that suffering is part of life, you stop fighting against it. It doesn't mean you give up. It means you understand that pain, loss, and disappointment are natural. The real question is, how do you react? In Buddhism, attachment is the root of suffering. We hold on to things, people, expectations, material goods, and when they slip away, we feel pain. But what if we learn to let go? Not in a cold, detached way, but in a loving, free-flowing way. Imagine how peaceful it would feel to not cling to things that are always changing. Life is happening right now, not yesterday, not tomorrow. Yet, most of us live trapped in our thoughts about the past or anxieties about the future. Mindfulness is about training yourself to be here, in this moment. Whether you're washing dishes or having a conversation, when you fully engage with the present, everything changes. You start noticing the beauty in the simplest things. Karma isn't about cosmic punishment or rewards. It's about energy. What you give out comes back to you. Your actions, thoughts, and intentions set the course of your life. If you live with kindness, compassion, and positivity, those things will flow back to you in ways you never expect. So, what kind of energy are you putting into the world? Everything changes. The good times, the bad times, and everything in between. This is the Buddhist idea of impermanence. Why does this matter? Because when you realize that nothing lasts forever, you learn to appreciate each moment as it is, fleeting but beautiful. You start to live with gratitude, knowing that everything is temporary. Bringing it all together, whether you're searching for peace in a chaotic world, looking for purpose, or just trying to find a little more happiness, these teachings from Buddhism aren't about religion, they're about life. Suffering, attachment, mindfulness, karma, impermanence, they're not just abstract ideas. They are practical, life-changing tools. If you start applying them today, you'll be amazed at how much lighter, freer, and happier you can feel. Thank you for watching. If you found peace or inspiration in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who might need this too. Until next time, may you find calm in the present moment.